Hello engineers, this video we're going to create something called a 3-stack radius. And so what we'll do is we'll actually create a part that has kind of looks like a wedding cake. And we're going to go ahead and start by using our line tool, starting from our origin. We're going to go straight up 3 inches. Use my line tool to kind of roughen the shape, as we've been kind of doing with everything else. And so it is a little bit faster to create your parts in this way. Once I have my lines about where I want them, I'm going to put in the rest of my dimensions here. And so if we look at the video, or at our reference sheet rather, we'll go ahead and start putting those in. Now that I have my shape correctly sized using my dimension tool, I'm going to round over these 3 sharp corners right here using the fillet tool. And I can get to it one of 2 ways. I can click on the button, if you see it on your toolbar here, for fillet, or I can click on modify and go to fillet as well. I'm going to select the point here where the 2 lines meet to create the fillet, so I can click on that, or I can click on the 2 lines that create the corner where I want to include the fillet. And so either way is acceptable. It's however you want to do it. Now my fillet has a radius, and so the radius for our fillet is 0.25. I type that in. Since I have them all selected, it will change all 3 at once. And simply click enter, and now my fillets are included on my shape. Go ahead and hit finish sketch, and I'm going to revolve tool. My profile selected. I just need to simply click on my axis for my revolve and hit OK. And now you can see that I've got my final shape.